So we are back. Here we have a Samsung, I think it's Samsung Galaxy Tab A sm-550. We have a cracked digitizer and we'll replace the digitizer. So let's take the tablet on the front of the heater and see you probably like 10 minutes replacing the digitizer. Okay, so let's start. Let's open the tablet. It should be an easy job. It should be an easy job. Yeah, we have a micro SD card here. This has some plastic clips here. It's nothing hard. This is a new model of the Samsung tablet, this tablet, but unexpected the screen comes in separate part with the digitizer, so we can replace only the digitizer, which is great. Which is great. Okay. I'm still on. Okay, the back cover is out. Let's take out the battery. And we are safe to do anything. Yeah, the battery is out. Let's take out the digitizer. Yeah, that's the screen and that's the digitizer. Let's take out the digitizer. Now let's start taking the digitizer out from the frame. Now is the hard part. Hopefully will go out easily. Probably not. Nah. Nah, it's nothing easier. Let's use hot air. 180 should be fine. Yeah. Okay. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's going quickly. Looks like 184 is okay. It's great. Okay. Okay, let's go on the bottom. So this side is fine. Okay, let's check this side. Let's check this side. Okay. Okay. We are nearly there. Nearly there. Nah, probably I will crack the screen. Probably I will crack the screen if I try to pull out the digitizer, so let's go on the bottom. The bad things always happen on the end, so I should be very careful now on the end. Yes! The digitizer is out. Okay. The screen is fine. Screen is fine. The rubber thing on the top is okay. Here is nothing. Okay. There's no prints on the screen. That's good. That's good. Let's get a new one. Where is the new one? It's here. That's the new digitizer. Brand new one. You know what I'll do? I'll check first. Because you never know. Can be new and faulty. Yeah, it can happen. Happened to me so many times. So I can't do it because of this thing. Let's try one more time. Okay. I can't even test it. Okay, what can I say? Hopefully it will be good. One problem, the screen comes with a sticky band, so I have to take this sticky band out from on the frame. Okay, the sticky bandit's out. Let's take these covers. Yeah, that's out. That's out. And I have the edges. That's out. That's out. Okay, let's put the digitizer. If it will not be fine, we'll have a problem. If it will not be fine, well, hopefully it will be fine. Okay, I'll put a digitizer, but I will not press on it. I will not press. Okay. Let's plug the digitizer and let's test. Digitizer it's in, the battery it's in. Let's check now. Okay. Samsung Galaxy Tab A. Oh, it's working. Ah, I'm saved. Yeah, it's working. Now we can press the digitizer. And we can put back the back cover. So you see, it's a easy job if you follow some things, you know, like be careful with the screen and don't do nothing like what can crack your screen. Okay. Yeah. So everything is fine. Let's put back the micro SD card. Yeah. Yeah. Apps. Yeah, it's working fine. Anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you later.